Hello guys, it's AppWiz. How to create hyperlinks in Gmail app in this video. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be teaching you on how you can add hyperlinks in a Gmail app for yourself. So to do this, you're going to go over to Compose, okay? And you can write it to any user, okay? That depends on you. Now once we have written this to a user, you're going to add the subject. And right here, once you're composing the email down here, I'm going to be adding a link for myself. Right? So YouTube, okay. So this is going to be my link now. Once I have added this link, what you do from here is you basically create a draft of it, okay? You don't send it right away. You will create a draft. And to create a draft, just go ahead, back out from it, and the draft is now saved. Now what you do is you go back to the draft. You go back over here and right here in this link. What you do is in the center of the link, I'm going to go ahead and write any text that I want to write in, okay? So once I've done that, I'm going to come here back, and there we go. So that is how you can create any hyperlink to any text that you have on Gmail. So that is pretty much about it. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.